let's dance in style, let's dance for a while. Heaven can wait, we're only watching the skies. Hoping for the best, but expecting the worst. Are you gonna...
May gabi sa inyong tanan. May gabi, no? And I'd like to also welcome our very beloved teacher, father, a brother of the, I'm sorry, Dr. Felipe Embelzado. Sir, may gabi diha, no? Unya, mustor na ka diri, sir, kaya gusto mo maminaw nimo, no? So I'd like to welcome everyone to the 50th Grand Reunion Night of Don Bosco Cebu, Batch 76. So may gabi sa atong tanan again. Okay. Ako na ko kay pasalamat, no, kay as even if I'm the chairperson of the organizing committee for this year's anniversary, no, I wouldn't have been able to do this without the help of the organizing committee. Kiniha, gipasalamatan na sila ni Noli. Unya ako silang tawagan usab karon akong patinduon kay dako kay silang tabang. Without them, this night would not have been possible. But of course, we know that kung wa mo, di punta mo enjoy karong gabi. So I'd like to call Elmer Jojo Labella. Jo, tindog lang, please be acknowledged. Si Jojo gahandle sa program karong gabi. Palakpakan nato. Oh. And of course, ang atong El Presidente, si Mario Pedrano. Hoy gahandle sa venue. Mar, nagkakay salamat. Okay. Ang handle sa atong kining atong shirt, souvenir items nato, kanang mug, o kaning atong shirt for tonight. Way lain kundi si Glee Perez. Glee, nagkakay salamat. Ang gahandle sa invitation ug sa membership katong galista sa buhi ug patay, no? Unya nagkulit sa inyo sa padadaan mong invitation si Mr. Eric Camunillas. Eric nasa gawas. Eric. No. Salamat kayo. Unya ang naghatag sa atong tote bag, no, ug sa atong emergency utility kit. Siyempre, labi na ta karon, awp-awp na atong pananaw. Kinahanglan na natay suga mo na kanang usa sa inyong kit magamit ninyo na anay suga ug nanay mga tool items din nga magamit nato, no? And of course, no, ang si Alan to, si Alan Bacudo, And of course, last but not the least, ang atong naghandle sa transportation. Mao in town ni sugat nagkuha kay Mr. Embelzado padung diri og magpauli, no, and siya mo handle sa transportation si Mr. Ray Tura. Ray. So salamat kayo sa inyo kay gusto ginamin mo serve, no, and tonight we thought of our theme as a very fitting theme, which is cherishing the past and embracing the future. Ngano nato i-cherish ang past, no? Especially karon, dili lang ta senior, atong edad karon 65, 66, 67, 68, ganay pay uban mag 69 na. We're not only seniors but we're already in the elderly stage, no? Meaning nasa sunset na ta sa atong kinabuhi. Mao na nga kaning atong kaagi sa Don Bosco which formed us, which guided us, which gave us the values to become who we are now. Ano? Dili na nato ni basta-basta ma-replay kay taas na tag-edad, no? Daghan na tag-complaints, na health issues, no? So mao na nga ato silang i-cherish, atong mahalon, ug sa Tagalog pa atong ang sitawag sa Tagalog ani? Alimo. Ha? Anuhin natin. Di. Asa atong gakso, no? Panahahalagahan. Di ba? Okay. So, unya, mao na nga karong gabi atong i-cherish ang past, and of course, knowing that now we're seniors, we're elderly, no? Atong i-embrace ang future, no? Ganiha, nagingon sila mag-reunion na punta every 10 years, pero yung sila daghan na kay date siguro kaabot ana. Mora dapat every 5 years or every 3 years mag-reunion ta. So we will think about it. Depende kung sa inyong gusto, we will do this as often as we would love to do it para magkita at tag-usab. No? Unya, karon enjoy ta sa atong pagkaon, enjoy ta sa camaraderie, enjoy ta sa drinks nato. Unya karong gabi we prepared a program for you. So kompleto recados ni. So naay kanta, naay awarda nato ato mga kaubang at taas ug achievement no. Happy kay ta, we are proud for their achievements. So we will honor them tonight, no? And of course, we want to hear responses from a few of us nga makasulti karong gabi diri sa harap sa tubangan. And then of course, the night is not over kung walay presentation ng organizing committee, and then later on naapod tay gamay sayaw-sayaw siguro o kanta-kanta. Okay? So how's that for the whole evening? All right.
May gabi inyong tanan. Okay. My colorful history, I was a working student for 8 solid years to finish my degree program. My first degree is Bachelor of Science in Elementary Education. Second is Bachelor of Science, AB in English. Master Education major in Guidance and Counseling. Doctor in Management major in Human Resource. Doctor of Education, that is from San Jose Recoletos, my Doctor in Management in Human Resource. Then, Doctor in Education in Southwestern University. Everything is God's plan. Magsunod rin kita. I was the Dean of College of Hospitality and Tourism in University of Cebu for 29 years. After that, I retired. I was in Benedicto College 2 years and a half. From Benedicto College to Cebu Eastern College, Dean of Hospitality and Tourism for 9 years. After that, I was in Golden Success College, Dean of Hospitality and Tourism for 2 years and a half. From there, presently, I am the Dean of Tourism of Bracewood College Incorporated in Cabrieros, Mumbai, at the age of 81. At the age of 70, it is advisable that you are going to use your cane. Kay, mura makag mo imbalance. Now, for the students that I served in Bosco from 1971 to 81. I was an English teacher in Don Bosco. Don Bosco. Diagramming. Sentence analysis. Okay. Now, Engineer Atilio told me nga, utangan dyan ko din mo sir, kaya di ako nakatol sa akong in English. I am just an instrument of your success. Thank you, and again, good evening.
Forever
enjoying the evening. Wala naman ko ikadungag sa... Wala ko ikadungag kay murag nasulti na ang tanan. Magpasalamaton ta nga niya pata karon. Yeah, we're enjoying life. We cherish the past. Embrace the future. That's what our team says. Also, magpasalamaton kay ko ni Mr. Balsado nga gahinan gyud tag panahon. Ginganhi gyud ta niya. Kay ang iyang mga kuyog nauna na po. Salamat kay sir. Kami magpasalamaton. All I can say is let's continue the reconnecting. Okay, daghan ba diri nga wa ko kay kinsa mo ganito? Di ba? Daghan kay tag remailhan ba? After 10 years, kinsa ganito siya? So, let's continue. You tell your stories, kinsa mo, unsa ganito siya? Until we sail the sunset, no? Kaya, di lang nako taso lumayo. Let's continue enjoying the night, okay?
Forever young, I want to be forever young. Do you really want to live forever? Forever, forever, forever young. I want to be forever young. Do you really want to live forever? Forever young.
Mga batchmates, ako kung magdahong papilon. I have nothing really in mind. Ang ako lang may masulti karon. I was really surprised. Kasi niabot ko tong 17. I was expecting some of our classmates, but unfortunately nung pangutan na ako na wala na sila. Lahat tayo may mga problema. Well, in fact, ako meron. Meron akong sakit na hindi makita ng mga doktor. To the point na pumunta na ako sa mga traditional. Nakarating ako ng Mindanao, nakarating ako ng Samar, but wala yung nangyari. St. Luke's na ang tumingin. Wala. Ang akong sakit, dali kong mahilo. Up and down ang akong BP. Last October, nag-join me si Jubilee doon sa na dismaya nga misis ko kasi sabi niya, kung mag-picture taking ka, di man ka mo intra. Ako, nianhay ko, dili to enjoy the scene. Nianhay ko, para mga itabang. That's why I lied. Ang point ko lang, lahat tayo may mga problema, kanya-kanya problema. Iba-iba. Pero sa tingin ko, usar niyo makasolve. Siya rin yun. Bisag, unsay mong buhaton, pag siya na magdesisyon, wala. So, nabagit mo kay Father natin. I just have to prepare. Kaya, pinabawalan ako ng doktor na pumunta ngayon. Pero niskapo ko.
Thank
Ako
you.
ingnan, Dok, 50 years na ito, Dok. I just don't know, baka next year ako na ang wala. So I have to be there. Wow. So wala nagawa, doktor. Sige, lakaw. Binigyan niya ko niyang permiso. Sige, basta from time to time. Sulti lang ang problema. So ako talaga, di pa ikay ko nakita mo, nagkita pa ta. Nung tumawag si Jojo, Hen, anong rasi mong flight? Jojo, diyan ako. Nung 17 pa ko diri. Excited na makaabot aning higayon na makita mo. So, as I've said, daghang salamat. Pasensya sa mga medyo di na nako mailhan kay may problema akong eyesight. Pero nonetheless, sabihin ko, talagang masaya ako. Nakita ko kayo. Daghang salamat.
It's time for something new. Maybe the West Coast. I need that ocean view. If you want it, just take it. Yeah, it's there for you. Time stands still unless you make it move. Hop on the next flight to anywhere you choose. There's no limits, just live it. Yeah, it's there for you. This is our moment. This is our moment. Live like we own it. Come on, let's live it up. You know we'll show it. We can feel it from our heads to our toes. We can feel it, yeah, that's how we know. This is our moment. Oh, 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 oh. This is our moment. Oh, 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 oh. We're gonna live it up. Oh, 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 oh. This is our moment.
Being a priest and carrying the flag of the spirituality of Don Bosco, I think Ray also will have his part. When we were together, my mind was very diretso gyud. Transferring from one Don Bosco school to another I felt was one of my given by God an experience to see a brighter part of my life as a priest. Only to realize that tinuod di ay Salesiano ka, bisan asa ka ibutang sa Ginoo, kay naay kay plano ang Ginoo para nimo. Wa pa ko dito ang Ginoo nagbulat na nako. Ana gyud ang akong philosophy of life. Mao nga when I was assigned at Mindanao, I said, I think this will be exciting. Kaya naghulat ng Ginoo nako dito, and He has something for me to accomplish. And for 1 year and a half, I realized it's so. Amidst among our Muslim brothers dito, I am in Mati, Davao Oriental. 25% of my parishioners are Muslims. And we were able to create a very peaceful relationship with them. And in fact, some of them are our students at our training center. We have some number of Muslims being baptized to become Christians. Because they know, uy, kanindot di ay ni maging Kristiyano. Okay? And in fact, you will be surprised that even at Mati, katumayo kayo mo rosaryo, muayo kayo mo bisita sa simbahan, Muslim. Ang mga Kristiyano yung tawon, tingali, murag napulaan na ba? But that is how God works in His own mysterious way. And so I think I prayed. I am now on my 36 years as a priest and 46 years as a Salesian. My prayer every day is always, Lord, let me die as a priest. That always been my prayer. Unfortunately, you know what? Na ko'y classmate. Wala mi ni Ray ang nakalahutay good antod karon. Na may classmate that even at 55 who left. The latest one was 62 years old, mihawa sad. So I realized na this is a day-to-day commitment. Saying yes to whatever God's plan is for you. I came here to be part of this journey of what we are as Bosconians. And I would like to thank you as my classmate during my 3rd year and 4th year when I was here at Cebu. You adopted me. I came from Negros, I came from Pampanga, and I came here to Cebu to experience how it is to live among our Cebuano brothers. And I enjoyed it. Greg and company, and everybody here, all our classmates. We had a good time during our 3rd year and 4th year. Hangtod nga, we were supposed to go to Canlubang, but the provincial and Father Espiritu told us, diri sa mo sa Lawaan because you need to prepare the place when the aspirants would come. That is why Ray and myself, we stayed for 1 year at Lawaan. We took our study at CIT, another experience as a seminarian studying at CIT. That was also another wonderful realization in my life. At the end, everything that happened to my life is always a yes
to God's plan. And tonight, I also had this wonderful opportunity to talk not to all but to so many of you, and you have expressed your gratitude too for being a Busconian. Some, pwede po bisal ko nimo, okay lang na, ana lang yun. Until at the end, it is always the salvation of our souls na pinaka-importante yun sa tanan. Everything passes away, but at the end is that, like the Bosco said, He came for the underprivileged. Yes, to teach you skills, proficiency, but at the end, it is the salvation of your soul na gusto yun sa atong patron, St. John Bosco. And thank you for this evening, being with you for this wonderful time. Thank you.
It's time for something new. Maybe the West Coast. I need that ocean view. If you want it, just take it. Yeah, it's there for you. Time stands still unless you make it move. Hop on the next flight to anywhere you choose. There's no limits, just live it. Yeah, it's there for you. This is our moment. This is our moment. Live like we own it. Come on, let's live it up. You know we'll show it. We can feel it from our heads to our toes. We can feel it, yeah. That's how we know. This is our moment. Oh, 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 oh. This is our moment. Oh, 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 oh. We're gonna live it up. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. This is our moment.
Maayong gabi sa tanan. Just a very short message. Pag-abot na ako diya sa Lavi, I said to myself na, how did I become a priest? They're so good, they're so bright, they're so holy. Ganun, just right away that came into my mind, kadaghan mga maayo ninyo diri. Kadaghan yung abuotan. I could just imagine when I was the fourth year. I said there was just nobody. And yet, I see God as His own way. So, everything is just a blessing. We are all called by God, and God asked us to be an instrument of His love. That each one of us, we become really Don Bosco's prayers, love for the young. Labi na sa itong mga pamilya nato. There's only one thing that Don Bosco wants from us, that we remain good Christian and an honest citizens. May gabi sa tanan.
May gabi, Father.
There's no limits, just live it. Yeah, it's there for you. This is our moment. This is our moment. Live like we own it. Come on, let's live it up. You know we'll show it. We can feel it from our heads to our toes. We can feel it, yeah. That's how we know. This is our moment. Oh, 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 oh. This is our moment. Oh, 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 oh. We're gonna live it up. Oh, 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 oh. This is our moment.
Classmates, pasensya kayo kung tingog ha, kay wala na. Murag sobrang kanta. Invitation diri left and right. But honestly, akong ginan si Jojo nga, Jo, karon nga 50 years, God really planned this sa akong my life nga maka-attend yun ko. Actually, nag-share ko ni sa uban last December 11 na akong birthday. I have my angioplasty. So, isa niya akong share ninyo nga para na ko at the time ko, Lord, if it's your will, complete na akong ipangayo ni mo. I'm ready to do it. Pero kasi kunahuna, Lord, na pa may anniversary, golden pag yun. Ako, tagay kong sign nga successful ang akong kuan plastic. So, anyway, that was history na, no? So, karon yan ako. Yesterday, gilarga ko kiligan kay sa ako nang i-share sa uban nga I have to attend graduation na mo ganiha. 4 days na for once a month, once every month. Kani among Catholic Faith Defenders iligan ga start. So I'm a lay minister sa Dentoris. Malagay na ko ga kuan yan. Ano couples workers kuan leader before because of Gawad Kalinga. Wala nga nagkuan ako sa Gawad Kalinga. Pero ang akong spiritual kuan ako is sa kuan Redentorist Church kay being the chairman sa council. Anyway, ang ako lang i-share ni kay nako gusto ni ko mo attend aning duha. Importante ni. So gitagaan yung kong lugar ni sige lang ay problema kay naalagay kay pag-abot na ako gikam ako sa airport. Siya, gabisa pa man dahil father. So anyway, salamat yung kayo ninyo. Every time makakita gani ko sa tong group chat, ako, grabe ning ato ang batch kay naka-produce sa mga pare. Produce ng mga naaga po sa simbahan kasi bisyo. Si Greg, si Alcoy, Victor, uban sa inyo naka-visit. I mean, nakauban ako, ano? Pero ang ako lagi proud ko kung hindi nga Boscon dyan. Kaya atong kauban, I don't know if you remember si Greg. Second year high school siya pag transfer niya sa US. Isa, sa ito, once a Bosconian, always a Bosconian. Mo gina akong gisulod yun na sa ako ang kuhan. Deepest soul na yun, ha? Kay pag college days na ko, 2 years ko sa Santo Tomas, isundan yun ko mga Salesian brothers. Sila Father Cruz, karon Father Elbesa, Father in fact, ang akong kasal sa MOA, si Father Sabio. Si Rector, si Father Zago. Napagitulo ka pare, si Father Cruz, si Father Albesa. So anyway, kuna nako kalab ang akong kuan sa high school days. Mura bitaw sus masanto manggid ko ani. Grabe no. Grabe kay ko kang kay Dominic Sabio ba. I rather die than to commit sin. Sus. Abi na akong mapari nako. Hapit na to. Ito pero ako ra may lalaki. Ma-share lang ako ni number 1 yun ako gusto ko mapari. Number 2 gusto ko mamilitary. Ikatulo na ng engineer. Pero gihatag ang tulog yapon sa Ginoo nako. Kay halos mga pare o bisap sa ko danon, barkada man ako. Military because of Gawad Kalinga. Halos mga kuwan po, barkada po nako. Engineer. I'm a practicing engineer as a contractor. No? Dili sa pag-control. So, salamat kayo ninyo. I'm really inspired sa atong tanan nga bisan nauna na to sila. Ang ako yung kanan si Brad katawitang last year lang tayo nag-uban si brother pagkula namatay si Punsing. Patabang kita to siya nga makuan siya. Gusto siya mabuhi pag yun. Unay na-miss na ko karon nga wala na siya. Salamat kayo ninyo for giving me the opportunity to share also.
It's there for you. There's no limits, just living. Yeah, it's there for you. This is our moment. This is our moment. Live like we own it. Come on, let's live it up. You know we should win. We can feel it from our heads to our toes. We can feel it, yeah. That's how we know. This is our moment. This is our moment. We're gonna live it up. This is our moment.
Natong mga ka-brothers. Actually, ang award na to nga ihatag kang Mitch is sa iyang pagka-active kayo sa kanang as community volunteer. Siya ay president sa ACCERT, a force multiplier to support communities, mga LGUs. So, siya ay president and nag-operate ang iyang ang amo kay na-appeal man pud ko ang organization na mo nationwide. Iya kong gitiksan niya, ingon siya, bro, ikalay mo represent ako, ikalay dawat sa award. He's Vice President for Northern Mindanao sa ACSERT. It is a force multiplier supporting police, supporting LGUs, no? Labi na in times of calamities. And ACSERT was very helpful in helping the victims of the earthquake and the typhoon lately. So, ako basahon ang iyang message. Mo niyang message. Good evening. Thank you for this plaque of appreciation. I am truly honored and grateful for this recognition. Serving as president of ACSERT has been a privilege. This organization's mission is to advocate against crime and promote safer communities nationwide. It's bigger than any one person, and I share this honor with its dedicated members, partners, and supporters who make this work possible. Thank you for the trust, the support, and the opportunity to serve. I remain committed to ACSERT's mission and to the continuing fight for safer communities across our nation. And happy 50th anniversary to us.
Hear me when I say let's make a night to remember. Let's celebrate from now till forever. This time we'll make a night to remind us we only have one life, gotta live it out loud. In another time, in another place, we could be lovers that can be replaced. But I still believe this time we got something, something. We paved the way on the other side while making plans to live the good life. But something is better than nothing at all. Don't you know?
Itong golden anniversary. Maraming salamat kasi guilty ako eh. Di ba? So maraming salamat talaga. This is from my heart, bottom of my heart. Maraming salamat. This is, akala ko nga nagalit kayo sa akin eh kasi hindi ako nag-a-attend. Pero sabihin ko na ngayon kung bakit. Okay, salamat sa lahat. Kailangan kong may tukod kay, siyempre, I'll be 68 this year. So parang may tuhod problem, di ba? Okay, so there are so many awards in my life as an academic, professor, researcher, at saka an engineer. So alam to ni Father Nanding at saka Father Ray. So when I went out in, I think it is 1978, I worked at Brother Silvano's wings. Mentor ako ni Banong design at saka pa-fabricate, and alam mo kasama namin si Tommy paggawa ng mga rattan fabricating machines para sa rattan. Dahil hindi ko ni Banong, tapos angkas yung motor. Punta tayo sa Pacific Traders, punta tayo sa ganito, tapos gano'n. So those were the beginning after my seminary life. I was there for around 4 years. So, klase ko, doon kami sa CIT after sa 2 years doon sa Don Bosco, then lipat sa Lawaan. So, after 4 years, I went out kasi nauntog. Sabi na, nakikita ka lang chicks, di ba? Wala pang chicks doon, di ba? So, hindi lang kaunti, maraming chicks. So, ganun yun. So, I studied at San Jose Recoletos for my mechanical engineering. So pagka-graduate ko, I want to apply for Saudi. Kasi Saudi yung ano din, di ba? Saudi, di ba? But eventually, after giving about 50,000 pesos at that time, 1983, nawala. Parang yung yung nag-recruit, pupunta Singapore, so inano nila, so nawala, balik. So kailangan ko magtrabaho, di ba? So, buti lang kayo, kaibigan ko si Brother Elmer Rodriguez. Sabi ni Brother, anong gawin mo ngayon? Wala, brad. Magpakamatay na lang. So, sabi na, hindi, punta ka sa Kanlubang. Diba? So, di ba nag-kuha ka naman sa Cebu? Fabrication at saka nagturo din ako sa high school. So, to cut it short, nagturo ako sa Kanlubang. So, I'm very proud na si Peter Bakiro, bishop na sa Papua New Guinea. So, abot niya ito sa office kasi those brother. So, Peter, dito ka. Linisan mo to. Peter, dito ka. Isulat mo. Peter, mag-type ka. Type pa, wala pang computer, di ba? So, yun. Tapos, one time, nag-birthday niya. Bishop, happy birthday. Ay, sir, ito yung utos sa akin. Yung mga ganun. But there are so many instances in my life na parang lumabas ka nga sa seminaryo, pero the happy thing about in the seminary still there. Diba? Yung parang kasama mo pa rin mga klase. But, ito yung tandaan nyo, guys. Maybe the first time after my graduation, the 30th alumni yung coming ako nakapunta, that was the first. Then, second lang to. Second lang, di ba? So, sorry for that. Pero ito yung dahilan. So, right after the seminary, I worked, tapos ito. Then, nag-work ako sa Kanlubang para na makabayad sa 50,000. Kasi sinanla yung bahay ko doon sa Liloan. So, sanla, so bayad ko. So, sabi ng bayad tayo. So, 5 years. So, tamang-tama, ang sweldo doon sa Kanlubang is 3,000. At that time, is 1,2 lang yung minimum wage. Malaki-laki na, di ba? So, sabi ko, thank you, di ba? So, eventually, after 5 years na wala, utang kasi nakabayad. So, sabi ko, balik na ako sa Cebu kasi tapos na yung utang. Balik. Pero, alam mo yung buhay. Si Brother Peter Abbott, kilala niyo, di ba? Sabi niya, Nilo, alam mo, nag-resign ka sa Kanlubang. Ako, kapoy na magtudlo, di ba? Igtudlo. So, sabi niya, pupunta na ako sa Amerika kasi nakakuha ko ng green card. So, green card. So, sabi niya, balik ako sa akong pamilya nga sa Kawan. So, sabi niya, kung gusto kang magturo uli, apply ka dito, ito yung tao. Nagkakabay ako. So, sabi ko, nako, Manila yan, di ba? Mahal ng bayad ng bahay. So, ang sabi ko, kung hindi to bigyan ako ng, at that time, 1,2 yung pwede ko bigyan ng 6,000, hindi ko i-accept. So, nag-apply ako, sabi ni Peter, sige, ang punta sa akin is 6,500. Di ba sign yun? Di ba? So, very yan. Grab ka agad. Good. So, I was hired, Lasal, September 9, 1989. Yun ang pag-resign ko sa Kanlubang, May 1989. So, diretso agad. And after that, never look back. Everything has changed. Lahat-lahat. Kasi, after I was hired in Lasal, all the training, so, ito hindi ito pagmayabang. Hindi ko lang napuntahan sa mga training, mga conferences, is only Russia and South Africa. The rest, I've been there to present the Philippines, especially the LaSalle University, in many conferences in technical aspect, mechanical, manufacturing, and all these things. So with that as well, marami ka rin sa mga sa LaSalle. So after I was regular. So, 3 years yung regularization yung sa Lasal. Provisional for 3 years. So, after 3 years, I got my master's degree in Lasal, but went different, like University of Saudi in Queensland, doon sa Singapore and all those things. Then, I was offered as well sa PhD ko sa London. So that's why I got my PhD sa manufacturing engineering sa University of Loughborough, so sa London. So when I came back, di ba, may PhD ka na, ano na, ang sabi ng dean namin, kasi ang PhD ko doon, manufacturing engineering. So, first time yan sa Pilipinas na mayroong manufacturing engineering. So, during the time na I started, parang wala pang nakakalam. So, ano yan? So, ako yung nagpa-simuno. So, okay. Then, ako, PhD pagbalik ko, sinabi ng dean namin, oy, may bago tayong program ay i-offer sa Lasal. Biomedical Engineering. Biomedical. That was 2003. So pinadala ko sa University of Pisa. That's why kung naintindihan nga ni sabi ni Greg sa akin, na-mention niya ni William na you called up. Ako, oo, doon ako sa Italy noon kasi nabasa ko lang yung address niya at saka yung contact. So tinawagan ko siya. So usap kami ng matagal. Pero after that wala. So when I came back after sa University of Pisa, that's where parang in preparation siguro. May plano talagang guys, remember this. Sino ba si Nilo Bugtay? Ba wala? Parang shy, soft-spoken, wala namang doon sa high school natin. Si Pagaduan, alam ko talaga, sabi na, kasi seminaryo ba, lalabas ka rin. Si Danny, di ba? Sabi ko, grabe talaga, na-foresee na niya. Lalabas ka rin, di ba? Lalabas ka rin. Sabi ko, okay. Si Danny, di ba? Loko yun eh. So, yan. So, yung nga, na-timing nga talaga, lumabas ako. So, pagkatapos noon, so, because of my research, I did, doon lang ako siguro na train pag sa PhD at saka mga visiting fellowship na yung paggawa ng thesis paper na hindi lang mathematical but have a prototype. So with that, nakagawa kami ng first nagpunta kami sa PGH, nakita namin yung PT, physical therapy, na nagtrabaho sa isang post-stroke patients. Alam mo ba, siya mag-isa sa PGH na 50 ka mga post-stroke patients, tapos siya lang isa, tapos isa-isahin niya for 30 minutes. Ang bayad sa session na yan is 600. Sabi na, sir, kami ang mamamatay dito kasi tingnan mo yung mga tao dyan. Carry tablet, tapos pag siyang or isa, baba, gano'n. So, kung mayroon ng robot dito, sir, gamitin na namin. Sabi namin, why not, di ba? Kasi marami namang robot-assisted, di ba? So, ginawa namin sa undergrad thesis, nagustuhan ng DOST. Sabi na, kailangan na natin kasi marami ng mga robot-assisted devices para sa So, ngayon, ang tawag namin doon, Agapay Project para sa upper extremities rehabilitation. The government poured out around 21 million. So, ngayon meron nag-file na kami ng spin-off. Pero who knows? Kung mag-click din, may venture capitalist na mag-finance. Diba? So, mayroon na kami. So, we file sa SEC, Medins Corp na spin-off. So, hopefully, I pray na kasi para naman to sa mga post-stroke patients. That's one. Pero, that was in 2016, no? Tapos ngayon, dami ko ng project kasama na yung mental health na the institute that I founded, established, is worth now 700 million. 700 million. So that's why I started the institute in 2016. Then I retired in 2018 kasi nag-60 ako. Sabi ng brother president, no way! No way! Dalhin mo yan sa market yung lahat ng mga binigyan ng support ng government. Okay. So, okay na. Dami ng project. Pag 2023, mandatory 65. Kailangan ka na mag-retire kasi ka na. Sabi na, no way, hanggang 80 ka. Diba? So, ngayon, ang namin na all the researches that we have na using AI, using all of this high technology should be brought to the market. And the UST is claiming na what you have, kasi lahat, na-visualize ko yan lahat through my students. na all of these are needed by our country. Totoo nga, kasi mayroon kaming robot for non-contact diagnosis na nagamit sa pandemic. Kasi mag-program pa lang sa kwarto mo, tapos yung robot pupunta sa may sakit, tapos makapag-print pa siya ng resita mo using the printer and the robot. So yun yung pinaka-ano namin. Tapos ngayon, because of the mental health after pandemic, parang na kaming mga virtual reality na mga gadget na yung may problema sa chatbot para kung mayroon sa problema, i-on lang niya tapos magano. So, these are the things na ginagawa namin. Pero of course, hindi mo basta-basta yan ma-release because of the IP. So, intellectual property, you need the patents muna para ma-open mo sa lahat. Kasi all of this technology hindi naman bago. Mayroon na yan sa market. Ang ano lang natin, it should be para sa Pilipino. Kasi iba kasi yung mga na-try namin yan. Kasi nung ventilator na kailangan, we did the Philippine ventilator nga rin. Pero ang sabi ng mga medical doctor, hindi namin gagamitin yan. Kasi wala kayong clinical trials pa sa Pilipino. Although the design came from University of College London, pero pagdating sa amin, kopyahin na lang namin tapos igawa. Tapos nagawa namin, hindi daw gamitin kasi ang ginamit doon sa University of College London, mga British data sa mga pasyente. So hindi magamit, di ba? So ngayon, kung alam ko lang na ganito kahirap pala, sana iba na lang ko. Kasi all our medical devices, equipment, 99.99999% is imported. So during panahon ng Pinoy, nag-meeting kami doon because of our Agapay project nga. Sabi na, gusto ko bago ako bababa, kailangan ma-brought to the market. Wala eh. Kasi clinical trials, pangalawa, FDA, bago magamit yung mga medical devices, kailangan ma-approve sa FDA. Ang FDA, sabihin mo, sir, paano namin tumano? Ay, wala pa kami alam dyan. Kasi alam na namin drugs, new medicine. So, paano to? Kasi di magano lang kayo. Just start documenting daw. I-document. So, hanggang ngayon. Di ba? So, some of our, mayroon akong patent sa Singapore, South Korea, ay paling the US rin, tapos sa China, at sa Vietnam. Pero, ang hirap. Mahirap pa rin kasi because of kahit maganda yung technology, pero wala namang license o walang certificate of use sa FDA, wala pa rin. So, in all we do in the institute, na-recognize sa government, maraming awards, pero ang sinabi ko naman sa sarili ko, maybe you can go with me. Isa lang ginawa ko kasi hindi naman ako ganun katalino, di ba? Siguro average lang ako or above average, di ba? Gaya ni Vic, ni Greg, or ni Henry. Magaling ko sa mata ba? Di ba? Pero nung nag-college ako, at saka, siyempre, nag-master's degree, at saka, siyempre, kailangan mo talaga yung, di ba, background sa math, sa, critical thinking. Naka-adjust naman. Sa high school kasi, parang, di ba, parang laro lang kailangan mo ba. So, there's so many awards actually, pero, sinabi ko nga sa mga kasama ko, so, I will not file or self-nominate myself. Sabi ko, kung kailangan lang akong ibigyan, pero for me to file, hindi. Bakit? Ito yung, father, saka na, totoo talaga yun. Because I put that in my life, yung sinabi ni Don Bosco, as you have said, do your duties extraordinary well. So, si Dr. Bugtay, tahimik, sino ba yan? Ang dami pang magagaling dyan, magagaling na researchers sa Lasal. World-renowned researchers in psychology, in whatever. Si Dr. Bugtay, alam mo ba, because of what we're doing, may nagbigay na alumnus ng Lasal, 350 million for the building. Kahit sino kasikat sa Lasal na researcher, hindi pa sa nakakuha ng building.
and it will be finishing by March, and it will be inaugurated by June during sa birthday ng donor, June 20. Tapos, may mga kasama ng researcher kumuha ng mga grants sa government or sa ano, na, of course, so many siguro. Kasi akin, mga 10 or 15, umabot ng 700. Sila, umabot silang 50 projects, pero hindi ba na makaabot ng 50 million or 100 million. So sa akin daw, paano ko lulaw yung ginamit? Paano ko, ano yung ginuha? Ano yung, ano daw, strategy na 15 projects, umabot ng 700 million. Tinanong ako, paano? Ako hindi ko alam. But one thing sure, anything that I do, writing a proposal, pabalik-balik yan. Isa, kalamihan 2 years yun ang minimum. Tapos, pagdating ng ano, approval o reject, okay lang. Thankful ka pa rin kasi every time na mag-fail ka, you will improve para sa sunod makakuha ka. So, mayroon akong project approved by EU, may project ako approved sa UPRI na millions and millions, hundreds of millions. Ano. So, ang sabi ko lang sa kanila na if you just do it from the heart and everything over it to God and do it well, extraordinary, if it is for you, God will do it. Kasi ang sabi niya, very clear, trust in me, put trust in me, and I will take over all your concerns. And with that, I live my life. I put it into my heart. And every time I work, magugulat na lang sila, bakit ganun ka swabe yung mga project proposal ni book tayo? Bakit? So one time, nagtanong ako sa isang hospital dito sa atin, pinakasikat na hospital. So mga ano ko, mga deans, mga ano, mga fellows, mga ano, ang sabi nila, so how do you get those funding na napakahirap? May divine intervention. Tumayo isang doktor, sabi na, oh, our speaker, ano daw, parang use that the proposal, the grant was ano daw, coming from God. Ako, yes. Para ba ang dating sa kanya, questionable. Maybe you get that because you are excellent, you are smart. Ako, hindi. I'm nothing. So naganuhan kami. Pero the rest knows that this guy, sinabi ko naman, hindi naman ako ganun katalino, but why I get all of this all over. Kasi, isa pang recognition sa akin, tinatawag nila ako, Father of Medical Robotics and Biomedical Engineering, which is not, di ba, father na ako. Sabi ko, hindi ako father, I'm already a grandfather. Di ba? So, Father of Medical Robotics and Modern Biomedical Engineering in the Philippines. So, hindi. Father na ako. Yun, di ba? So, there are so many things na kung tanungin mo ako, I cannot answer. Because I know it happened because the trust in the Lord. Di ba? So, hindi ko siguro ito masabi kung bata pa ako, pero at this age, wala ka nang makuhang basihan kung bakit nangyari yan. Ang ano ko lang talaga, ito lang na, I have a vision na ito kailangan. Then, once the proposal start writing, pray. Tapos, sabihin ko lang na, Lord, if this is your will, make this proposal approved. And send me the right people. The right people. Kasi, the success of any project is always the people. Diba? Yung building nga, hindi nga sila makapaniwala eh. Kasi sa Lasal, ang liit lang sa TAF. Diba? So, sabi na, Sir, kapag maka-approve ka ng project, may problema kami kasi you need space. Hindi lang basta space, ang laki. Kasi ang laki, million, ikaw lang nakagawa ng gano'n. So, anong ibig mong sabihin? Sir, pagpunta ka sa president, sabihin mo na kailangan mong building. Sabi ng president niya, punta ka sa alumni. Punta ka sa alumni, pakilala ka doon. Ako, hindi ko kilala. Pero, ang sabi ko sa mga estudyante o mga researchers sa faculty, hoy, kailangan nating lipat na kasi wala na tayong space. So, ang sabi lang, anong gawin? Dasala lang natin na may mag-donate ng building kasi building lang kailangan yun na space sa Lasal. After 1 year and a half, may nagbigay. Kasi yung presidente sabi na, sige ito, may isa sabi, ay hindi ko kaya yan. Isang building, hindi kaya. 1 million lang 3 million ang gusto, 3 million lang mabigay, 5 million. Pero yung isa, sinabi niya, sige, present, sabi na, all those research projects na ginawa sa institute na yan, ay ito yung gusto ng asawa, the dream of my wife. Medical doctor yung wife niya. Tapos nag-serve sa mga marginalized. So ito yung so anong problema? Sabi ni Dr. Bugtay, kailangan na niya isang building. Sabi ko, magkano yung isang building? Mga 350, gano'n sa. Ang sabi ng alumnus na Lasal, kailan ako magbigay ng first tranche? Nung kinikwento, parang nanginig kami kasi alam namin, nagdadasal kami nun eh. Diba? So guys, totoo talaga yun na if you put trust in God, mayroon talagang milagro. So every day is a miracle, diba? Parang pag-wake up natin na wala kang So, yun. Pero yun lang talaga natutunan ko sa Don Bosco na I count the people who I work for and contributed to the project. I do not count my award kasi ang daming ibigay na award pero sabi ko kasi I'm not working for an award. I'm working for the service of our research work na maka-improve sa mga So with that, para bang nagpo-flow yung mga graces, mga gifts sa mga tao. So, yun na nga na parang sa lahat na may sakit, dahil yung mga nagpuputak. Kagabi ako dumating, tapos 8 o'clock na doon ako sa Mandawi Health Center. Nagbigay ako ng talk kasi yung team ko, mga team, nandoon sila ngayon, nagbigay ng whole day para sa mga post-stroke patients na magawa kung ano yung kailangang program para sa post-stroke in that particular area sa Mandawi City. Kasi yung project ko, all throughout the Philippines, so may sa Kulasi, sa Antique, sa Cagayan de Oro, sa Davao, at saka doon sa Manila. So, lahat para. But all of this happened because there is someone who is really powerful na kahit ano pa kahirap doon para talo pa yung pagdipin ka ng thesis, di ba? Na masagot lahat ng tanong sa funding agency. So, ngayon, we're hoping na siguro sabi nga at the end of the year or 2020, it will be up to ₱1 billion for the research. Pero yun na nga, kailangan mong pakita na it should be brought to the market. Yung lahat na makatulong, lalo na sa rehabilitation ng mga post-stroke patients at saka sa mga mental health. So with that, I think siguro naman kung narinig niyo yung is a living testimonies that God is real. God is really real. So, wag kang ng pag-asa. Kasi kung magtatrabaho kayo according to His will, sabi lang, sir, hindi ka pa na problema. Ako sa may 10 million akong project pero hindi ako makatulog sa gabi. Isa lang. Akin, 15 pero umabot na ng 100. Wala. Bakit? Nagdadasal lang ako. Diba? Sir, ilan na yung gamot mong minimintin ako? Wala din. Kumakain ako kahit basta lang, tagbi lang. Diba? So, with that, guys, so kung mayroon na akong mga bagay na hindi naka-attend, lalo na sila sa uy, magano ka naman dyan, mag-share ka naman dyan, minsan talaga hindi kaya sa oras eh. Now, I'm a founding president of the Philippine Society for Clinicians, Medical Doctors, PT, mga nurses, and Biomedical Engineers, which is combined mechanical, ECE, electrical. Combined na. Tapos, recently, I was appointed by CHED to be the chairperson for, para sa technical panel for manufacturing engineering in the Philippines. So, nagbiyahe kayo para mag-approve, para mag-recognize sa mga school na gano'n ng program. Patents, so many, magpapaturo paano pag-write shop, para makakuha ng patent. Kasi ang dami ng patent sa Philippines 10, gano'n. Pero, kita mo naman, di ba? Na ano kahirap yung ginagawa ko ngayon. Pero, mahirap man sabihin, hindi ko mahati yung katawan ko. Pero this time, kasi na-atol lang siya nga na mayroon din akong na sinabi ko, 50th, kailangan ko nandun. Kasi utang ko sa mga nila Jojo, nila Greg, nila lahat na mabati Manila kung unsa ang hinungdan, kung bakit talaga medyo mailap. Di ba? Para bang, bakit ang hirap itong anuhin? Di ba? So, those are the reason na sobra kong hati-hati ko lang lawas ko. Parang hindi kaya. Pero God is good. Amen!
Amen!
God is great. Di ba?
Ay!
Everybody sing, everybody dance. Lose yourself in wild romance. We go to party, caramo, fiesta, forever. Come on and sing along. We go to party, caramo, fiesta, forever. Come on and sing my song. All right, all night long. All night long, hey, all night long, all night long, all night. People dancing all in the street, feel the rhythm all at the feet. Life is good, wild and sweet. Let the music play on. Feel it in your heart, feel it in your soul. Let the music take control. We're going to party, caramo, fiesta, forever. Come on and sing along. All right, all night long, all night, all night long, eh, all night long, all night, all night long, oh. All night, all night, all night. Jumbo, jumbo, in the party, oh, we going. Oh, jumbo, la, jumbo, lady, city boy, yeah, jumbo, jumbo. Oh, 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 yeah. I say, come on. Wherever you want to meet, we're dancing in the street all night long. All night. All night. All night.
Yawa.
All night. All night. All night. All night. All night. All night. All night long. All night.
Okay. So, second song. Oo. Katong manayaw, ayaw mga torita diri. Okay. Sige, next song.
Okay. Next song.
Sayo, gyud po.
Let's go. West time. Lock the door and turn the lights down low. Put some music on that's soft and slow. Baby, we ain't got a place to go. I hope you understand. I've been thinking about this all day long. Never felt the feeling quite as strong. I can't believe how much it turns me on just to be your man. There's no hurry, don't you worry. We can take our time. Come a little closer, let's go over what I had in mind. Lock the door and turn the lights down low. Put some music on that's soft and slow. Baby, we ain't got a place to go. I hope you understand. I've been thinking about this all day
Let's all
long.
dance.
Never felt a feeling quite as strong. I can't believe how much it turns me on just to be your man. Nobody ever loved nobody the way that I love you. Come a little closer, you don't know how long I wanted to. Lock the door and turn the lights down low. Put some music on that soft and slow. Baby, we ain't got a place to go. I hope you understand. I've been thinking about this all day long. But the music didn't always strong. That's never been about it all along. I hope you understand.
Okay.
Kung tayo'y matanda na, sana'y di tayo magbago. Kung mura, may muga pa, kaningon lang nila. Magkahinay man ta, si Manoy na ay pangontra. Doon ay Viagra sa usa. Ngunyag matagdan ka, kung sakit siguro ha. Nga dililingin kansa kung gera. Muabot ra ang adlaw, ang imong buhok ay puputi na rin. Ang imong bulbits, buhok sa armpits, ang ginahanglan ng gupit. Ayaw ka bala, dungan ta magpatina. Sa chikabay sa esquina, ang pangsong pagkira, kung napaipaputol mo na ang imong gulong, ayaw lang pagpila. Ayaw ka problema, sa pagtanda may kasama. Nandito lang kaming barkada, at paglulunata, atong liwat mo gawas pa. Kahit mabuti na ang ulo mo, kahit mabuti na ang ulo ko.
I can't remember when you were there, when I didn't care for anyone but you. I swear, we look at everything there is. Can't imagine anything we've missed. Can't imagine anything that the two of us can do. Through the years, you never let me down. You turn my life around. The sweetest things I've found with you. Through the years, I've never been afraid. I love the life we made, and I'm so glad you've stayed right here with you through the years. I can't remember what I used to do, who I trusted, who I listened to before. I swear you've been taught everything I know. Can't imagine getting someone so. Without the years and years, it seems to me I need you more and more. Through the years, through all Together we were strong. I know that I belong right here with you. Through the years, I never had a doubt. We've always worked things out. I learned what life's about by loving you through the years.
For all the years that we were together in the high school days, and we are still together now, we are here, alive and kicking. My dear brothers and my brothers, the monsters.
You never let me down. You turn my life around. The sweetest days I found with you. Through the years, you spent her every day. You kiss my tears away. As long as that's okay, I'll stay with you. Don't pause for years.
We thank you all for being with us tonight. We can feel the spirit of the Moscow and the love we have for each other. We care for each other. Us was